Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Thursday morning trading room. Hang on here a second. We'll get the screen share going on. All right. One second here as I get my bearings. So the market just opening up yesterday, very, very flat kind of day. Here we go. Here's our daily NASDAQ chart. And we're watching that little bit of a pullback that we halfway anticipated. So a very mildly bearish day yesterday. And today we're opening a little bit above where we closed. And you can see through the overnight already, the market was a little more bearish. I think we're going to get down here somewhere around 7,300, I think. That's kind of where the buyers kicked in before. You can see we have several support zones near there. So I would anticipate a little bit more bearishness the next couple of days. Of course, we'll see how things play out. The Eagle, very conflicted here at the moment, and Trade Forecaster says we are in swing mode, moving into scalp mode. So anticipate more choppiness. Probably a good idea to take profit on target. You could consider this, well, I'm not going to call it your first in-sync signal. I think that's reaching a little bit kind of based on this downtrend here. But like I said, I'm more in favor of a bear move, I think. All right, well, here on the Raptor, we're going to get a second push opportunity on a really drawn out number one signal. So the Raptor giving you your first in-sync signal of the day. Oh, look at that. We're still sort of sideways, so just as well. So oh man, that is a big pushback. Okay, yes. Let's not do anything silly here, Eric. All right, we'll wait. We'll watch and wait. It's a little bit boring, but when you have that sideways trading range going on, you're pretty much committed to looking for the breakout. Now, depending how you framed your trading range, you could consider this the breakout, and this now is your just in case order to sell. Looks like they're going to test the top end. Yeah, there they go. Ooh, all right. Well, let's get rid of that. So there now your top end breakout. Let's see if we get a couple of bearish bars. And then we'll have a place to put our just in case order to buy. There's one bear bar. Huh. Are they going to run on the single bear bar? Oh, there they go. Let's see. Ideally, I want to see at least two bearish bars, or maybe even a better retest of this zone. Okay, well, now it looks like we're getting that retest, another bull bar, and we're going to have the market essentially pinched in that it either has to continue with the breakout or it will fail and move back inside this trading range. Oh, come on, give me the second bar. Yes, stinkers. Wow. All right. Oh, I really don't want to short on just one bar here, because the market may dip down, retest this breakout zone. This is where the buyers got busy. So you can see we're getting a fair amount of support at this value here, at these lows. All right, I'll take the chance. Hope it doesn't come back to bite me, that one. I'll set my profit target. There we go. Okay, Now I feel a little better about it. I'll set my profit targets. And there we go. So now the market will either continue with the breakout, and you can see we're producing just your basic trend change signal here on the eagle. Okay. So right now it's looking as though the buyers are in control and they're going to try to rally the market up. Now we are in swing mode. You could go with a tighter profit objective here. And I'm going to get ready. If I can get one more bullish bar, I'm going to roll my stops. Come on. We're making a new high here for the morning. This was the previous high, and here is the overnight high, kind of in the same neighborhood. Come on, you can do it. So I'll reduce my risk here somewhat. Again, it's the whole breakout scenario. If the market's breaking out and retesting, it's supposed to keep going. There we go. Take the trade to break even now. Now we have made our swing target. If I get another bull bar here, I'm really going to start to jam my stops up. Okay, so I'm going to protect the swing target at this point, and hopefully we'll sneak up there and get to our profit objective. Now you see, had I taken the signal on the hash mark down here, we would be at our high probability profit target. The reason I did not take the signal down here is I was not entirely sure of whether the market would continue the breakout higher. Okay, so we got tagged. Remember to cancel your other order. I think the market might still trickle up, but you know what? I'm okay with that. With the market bouncing around like it is, I'm okay taking the profit. Okay, we're getting another little pushback, just kind of reinforcing the neutrality of the market. All right, well, we witnessed a test of the extreme here on the Raptor. So we got a little test of the extreme, starting to produce a number 2 signal. The trend is still up, but just barely. See, it's struggling. We saw the nice move up here, the pause, another nice move up here, another pause. Are they going to make another rally? I'm too late for this one. I should have entered back here off this number 3 signal. And what you could have done is you could have shot a trend line like so. Well, let's see if we get a second push opportunity on it. Again, ideally, I'd like to see 2 bars against, but if the trend is strong enough, let me get that out of the way. I want to make sure I'm not entering too early. I want to take out both highs. Okay, so we got the 2 bars against, so I feel better about a bullish break. They're going to have to get busy here, though. Okay, here comes another number 3 signal. Let's see if the bulls are serious. All right. Well, bring the stops up. Let's see what they can do. Here we go. So we're starting to tag some of the early sellers out. Oh, but the sellers are pushing back. Come on, give me a bar or two, and I can roll my stops. Not liking the bearish pushback here. It's we're looking at a retest of this breakout, but if they don't recover, if the buyers can't recover this soon, I'm going to really start to jam my stops in. Okay, there's one bull bar. Come on, give me another. Maybe I'll risk it here to the hard edge. There we go. Trying to give the trade a chance. Two bull bars, I will roll my stop below this bar right here. Okay, so let's bring the stops up. Come on. Oh, there we go. I can actually bring my stops up to break even. So we get about, well, 2/3, maybe 3/4 of the way to the profit target. Oh, don't flinch now. Oh, you stinkers. Oh, well. They made a run for it. Didn't quite get enough on that leg up to find my profit target, but what you gonna do? Well, okay, it looks like it was probably just as well I got out where I did. as the market starting to unwind, maybe become slightly bearish. We've pulled back, made a pullback here to the hard edge of the trading band. All right, a little bit of a hard edge bounce. That would confirm this number 2 signal. You can see the hawk already bearish, and the falcon also going to produce a trend change signal. I might try the falcon signal. So we got the warning dot. Okay, I'm going to anticipate that's where the signal will print. There we go, signal printing. And let's see if the sellers have anything here. All right, there they go. I'm going to try a move to the short side. I'm going to get ready with my stops. If I can get the trade, about down to around 75.20, I will roll my stops to break even. It's a little dicey because the trend has been a little bit more bullish thus far. Stinkers. We're getting closer, or we may be in scalp mode already. There we go. There's one bear bar. You can see where all the buying occurred. Buying occurred here and here. Come on, get down below that 75.22 zone. There we go. Okay, take my trade to break even now. And oh no, don't flinch yet. Get down there, come on. Oh, they're kissing the profit target. There we go. Okay. Well, that was all right. Okay, so as I have a tendency to mention to you, if if we were trading with a trade quota, well, I've done my 3 trades. I'm profitable on the day, up a little over $200 so far. My trading day is done, or would be done. Again, the money is made in the multiples, folks, not in trading more often. Nice follow through actually on that number 2 signal. Could have held on a little bit longer. Looks like we're next stop is where I'm going to be guessing 7,500. Thereabouts, 74.94 3/4. I could see that. Now we're getting a number 1 signal to short. That's where the luxury of having multiple contracts comes into play. You can take profit on target, you can leave a runner in, try to capitalize on a bigger move. It's hard to tell sometimes when those bigger moves are developing. You could watch your ADX. I think we went over ADX on one of our Rabbit Hole Fridays. Okay, well, that number 1 signal looks like it got down to its profit target and then turned. Well, we continue to bounce back and forth. We've gotten a little bit more bearish, but here out of nowhere, the buyers are making a stand again. It's making it a little bit more difficult to figure out which way they want to go. All right, well, here we go with another little bit of a bear push, actually producing a number one signal, but we did see a rather strong rally here. Again, we're conflicted, which is what you would expect when you're in scalp mode. We've got a bullish hawk and falcon, and now a bearish eagle and raptor. All right, we're going to stay with this just a little bit longer, but I'm afraid that I need to take off early again today. Sorry about that. So we'll be closing down the room here in a few minutes. All right, well, it looks like the buyers are getting a little bit more serious here after all. We do have a rule of three signal in the eagle, and I will take a look at doing that above this little swing high right here. So essentially treating this area here as my second push on that rule of three signal that has just developed. And I don't think I'm going to have time to see this one through, but really it's the last chance for the buyers to get their act together. In fact, I would leave, you can see we're going to get a green bar sell. I would probably leave this sell order in play as well and just treat it as a little bit more of a bracket. Okay, well, here we go now we've got the green bar sell signal. We've broken the trend line. We're either going to see the buyers push back and resume the trend, or we're going to see a little bit of a short-term move lower. And I think I'd probably, given the current market condition, would probably just look for a swing target. All right, gang. Sorry, I gotta run, but we'll be doing this again tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow everything will be back to normal. And it's our Friday, so it will be our Rabbit Hole Friday. I'll talk to you then. Bye for now.